Here we are in Paris. This is LearnFest in the city, and we're being hosted by Faurecia at the Faurecia University. And this is Living Changererously.
If you think about transformation, if you think about change, about uncertainty, everything you want to name, which is about tomorrow, the only solution is to experience it.
Very interesting to participate to this kind of discussions. Out of the blue, you invited me through LinkedIn, and it was a great opportunity to exchange on this subject, on change.
I've been involved in this nice session about how to manage change, which I think is very inspiring because the way it was done is very lively with practical examples.
I was very positively surprised by this very dynamic training on change, on how to connect with people and so on. So it was great.
I think what was very valuable is something we always forget, which is, we are human beings. We need to interact, we need to talk, we need to exchange, we need to build trust, we need to create dialogue, and that's how you make organization moving.
We have been given some clues about change by experiencing things very simple but very interesting, so we could feel in our muscles how it was. That's really about leading change, I think.